Hello, I'm back again with another little mini. This one again is 5 3/4 by 4 3/4, and she is 2 signatures, and she's made out of the quilt again. And I just did my own little patchwork and sewed my own little flowers right here and added some buttons. I love the way these feel. It feels, like I said before, like a blanket in your hands. I just love it. And this is the back. And I sewed some linen as the closure. And another little dangle here with some beads and cuteness going on in there. And it can be taken off. And inside, oh my goodness, come on. Inside we have a little tag that my granddaughter made, and that can come off. And in the bag we have some little tags, and this one is actually opens, and it's 2 different tags. Don't look at my nails. I should have painted them first, but I've been busy doing jam and inking and all sorts of craziness going on today, so yeah. They're horrible. I just want to hide them. But here I did a little fabric or lace tab on the top. This is a little bag with some pom-pom trim on it, and it flips out. And a little tag I made goes in there. Over here are some Artie Maze's tickets, banners from her Dragonfly kit. And I just folded them over and put a couple of my granddaughter's little tags she made in here. And some graph paper. And here is some extra journaling paper. And I might have to put a couple little somethings in there, because that just don't look like it's full enough. But I'll find something to put in there. And coffee dyed doily. This is Tsunami Rose. Her Charming Fragments too. And here is a little card with some washi tape on there. It's quite a bit on there, actually. I forgot to put one in the other mini. But here's another little tag on a tag. Tag on a tag. Vintage music paper with a little tip-in with the fabric that I used on the front. And a little belly band with this little tag inside. Middle of the signature. Cotton lace pocket with a bunch of stuff inside. This is Tsunami Rose as well. Can't remember what kit this one is from. Oh, it was just in my stash. I've had it in there forever, so I thought I would put it in here. If I can get it back in there. There we go. And a random tag I had in my stash. And some Artie Maze's. Come on. I shrunk these down and made little booklets out of them. My hands are just horrible today. They are not wanting to do what I want. Anyways, there we go. That was a mess. Here's a big tag right there. And this is a seed packet, and it opens up. And there's nothing in that one. Another tag shape. I love that bright colors. And over here is a cute little bag that my niece gave me. And I have the old design shop in here. That one is sewn around. And then I have this one, and this is Artie Maze, I believe. And I just stuck all those in there. Little pocket that I made with the part that I cut off here. I made a little pocket over here with it. And put this little cute tag inside. Actually goes inside the bag. And this some more journaling paper goes behind the bag. Yeah, maybe. It's not, there we go. Like so. Flips out. This is Artie Mae's too. It's one of her older kits, and I don't remember which one it is. Not Artie Mae's, Tsunami Rose, sorry. This has a little coffee dyed glassine bag with pom-pom trim. Flips out. I love this page. And this is from the Daphne's Diary. I just sewed around it and put it on there and put this pretty little card in there. Made out of some 6x6 paper I had. And Edith Holden page. Oops. There's some tracing paper and a little pocket with Tim Holtz die cut. And that my granddaughter cut out of another tag that she loved. So, yeah. It's kind of nice having all these little things to use. She's getting grown enough to do all this stuff for me, so I was pretty excited. On this side is, this is Yvonne Preston. Her little picture frame journaling cards. Love those. And this is just clipped on, a couple little pieces of ephemera. And some tickets. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, I just love the bright colors for the summer now, right now. And I will be doing another set of summer journals coming up real soon. I do have one more custom order to make, so I need to get on that ASAP. I kind of have it half done. I just need to finish it. And then, yeah, then I'll be busting out some more cute little summertime, springtime journals, like my big tag journals. I love those. Those were so fun. I might make some different sizes. And that is so cute. This is the back. Has a little bulb pin with a little dangle. And this one. And then these are from Daphne's Diary. And yeah, that is a custom journal I had. This one is not for sale. She's going out in the mail soon. I do have this one, which I stuffed a lot more. She is still available, so if you are interested, please give me a message over on my Facebook page, which I will link below. And yeah, have a great day, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe if you are already. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.